Welcome to Chamberlain University's Addison campus, nestled in the community of Addison, Illinois. Visit the Addison Historical Museum or the Elmhurst Art Museum, or catch a movie at the Marcus Addison Cinema. Nature lovers can explore the scenic Salt Creek Greenway Trail, a pedestrian/bicycle trail that connects to the Brookfield Zoo in Brookfield. Lobby. Begin your Chamberlain journey in the welcoming atmosphere of our admission lobby. Here you'll meet our passionate student ambassadors who are eager to share their insider tips and favorite campus spots on your personalized tour. Learning Commons. Bathed in natural light, the Learning Commons is a versatile space that adapts to your needs, from quiet study to lively new student orientation gatherings and open house events, making it the heart of student life. The Commons. Dive into the heart of campus life at the Commons. This vibrant hub buzzes with activity, offering a cozy nook for every student. Whether you're looking to collaborate on a project, dive into a new book, or just chill with friends over coffee, this is your go-to spot. Plus, with tasty treats within easy reach, it's the perfect place to fuel your campus adventures. SIMCARE Center. Step into the future of healthcare at the SIMCARE Center. Here, you'll be at the forefront of medical innovation, mastering patient care through high-stakes simulations that mirror real-world challenges. From the miracle of childbirth to the adrenaline rush of emergency scenarios, gain the confidence to lead with compassion and skill. Skills Lab. Sharpen your clinical prowess in Chamberlain's state-of-the-art Skills Lab. Surrounded by cutting-edge technology and lifelike mannequins, you'll transform theoretical knowledge into hands-on expertise. Flexible open lab sessions mean you can hone your skills on your schedule, ensuring you're prepared for whatever nursing throws your way. Science Wet Lab. Immerse yourself in the microscopic world in our Science Wet Lab. With state-of-the-art equipment and intimate learning stations, you'll explore the building blocks of life and unlock the secrets of the human body. Center for Academic Success, CAS. Elevate your study game at the CAS, where academic support meets personalized learning. Collaborate with peers or delve into solo study in our tranquil study spaces. With a fleet of tech at your fingertips and expert tutors just a question away, every study session is a step towards success. Care Closet. A testament to community and support, the Care Closet offers a helping hand with essential supplies for students, including personal supplies, school supplies, and non-perishable food items, books, gently used scrubs. It's available to all students and it's open all the time, all thanks to the generosity of the Chamberlain family.